Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel KGFL Creations. Today I'm going to open this box. It arrived a couple of days ago, maybe 3 or 4 days ago. It has been sitting in the living room and I'm like, well, I have to open this box, but I needed to get some time to record the video, so the box was just there. I know people say, how can you just leave your box there? I do have the willpower to do that as long as I don't look at it too much. So now let's open this box. Let's see. Okay, it's the same box as last month's box. Well, the box is a little banged up here on this side. I mean, these boxes, this is not a box that I feel like I can reuse. It's not like the other box that she had, like maybe 4 boxes ago, and last year. That was a really pretty box, and that was a good box to keep and use for other things. So let's get into this. Okay, so the little postcard is here. Let me grab my glasses. You guys know I need my glasses so I can read. If you need me, I'll be under the sun hat. So this is it. It's a little sunset, like a beach scene and sunset. It's really pretty. Let's see here, scan this code. It's the same thing as the last time. This is subscription box number 29. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 3 colorways. Okay, fabric details can be found in the ebook, which I'll check as soon as I'm done opening this box. I'm just gonna open a little bit so I can just, there are a couple of things here on top. Here. Oh, buttons. A bag of buttons. Wow. There's a lot of buttons in here. Glasses again. Wow, oh my. A lot of buttons. This is really nice. Wow, they're all in a greenish color. Is this an indication of the color of the fabric? I wonder if that's an indication. All right, we'll see, we'll see. So a little bag with buttons. This is very, very nice. What else do I have here? White chocolate popping candy, Levoco, if I'm saying that correctly, made in Weymouth, gluten-free, alcohol-free, and is dated maybe eat by December 26th of 2024. But this is not gonna last that long. I'll tell you that. I am a chocolate lover. I love chocolates. Blue, pink, and yellow. Interesting. I hope it's good. I hope it's good chocolate. What else? What else? What else? Okay. This is a bluish color, like a teal blue. Very nice. Very nice color. Okay. Now, let's see if there's anything else in here other than just fabric. No, I don't think so. I think that's it. So let's open this. Let's get the fabric out. Wow. Oops. We could just hit the tripod with the box. Wow. This is very colorful. Wow. Very, very beachy with all these leaves. Wow. And the blue, so this here goes with that. Right there. Wow. This is something. It feels like a viscose. I think it is a viscose. It feels very nice and soft. It is a beautiful, beautiful fabric. Now, what am I going to make with this? Wow. It fits the beach here in Florida, doesn't it? It looks really, really good. And it's so, so soft. I did show the fabric, this beautiful fabric, to my daughter and to my husband. I told her she could not claim this one this month because she claimed the one last month. So this month, it's a big no, 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 no. This one is mine. It's mine. And I did check the ebook. It is a 100% viscose. Yes, it is a viscose, nice and drapey. And let's see if it's see-through. Well, I can see through a little bit, but I don't think it is. It's pretty opaque. I don't think you can see anything. And I am going to come back with a finished garment. My daughter already gave me a couple of ideas. She wants me to do something that is out of my comfort zone. So when I see you, for you, it'll be just 1 second or maybe less than a second, but for me, it'll be a week, 2, maybe 3, I don't know. See you in a bit. I am back. As you can see from the little video and the photos, I don't know which one I put. I did make a pair of pants with the fabric from the Think Pink subscription box number 29. Yes, I do love these pants. OMG. I was at first a little bit hesitant of making the pair of pants, but my daughter, she told me, she said, Mommy, you have to make it. This fabric calls for a wide leg pair of pants. So I was like, okay, I will do it. It's out of my comfort zone. I don't own a wide leg pair of pants. This is my first one. And I'll tell you, I really, really love it. I hope you guys can see just a little bit because I can't go back too much. And I hit my machine back here. But yeah, this is just something. I really like these pants. Really, really out of my comfort zone. So today you're watching this video. This is going to be, as you have seen, the beginning of the video, the unboxing of the Think Pink box number 29. Also, this is going to be a Friday sews because today I'm posting on a Friday. I have suspended my videos for Tuesdays during the summer because I have a lot to do. So let's talk about what has been going on in the sewing room. I did make the pants that I'm wearing. And I also made this t-shirt here. This is my favorite. You guys can guess. It is the classic tee. Yeah, I did make the classic tee. This is a cotton jersey that I have purchased from Hobby Lobby. I still had about, I would say about a meter, not a meter, a yard and a half of this fabric here. So I decided to make a little t-shirt because my other t-shirt that I have, that I made the Eustace top, I kind of chopped up here at the bottom and it ended up being too short. So now it's in my sleepwear pile. So I decided to make this one. This one here comes down up into here, right here. But since it's inside my pants, you guys can see it. And yeah, this is my favorite, shall I say it again? Favorite t-shirt pattern, the classic tee. Easy. I decided to make the crew neck. I kind of went down a little bit, just maybe a 1/4 of an inch or something to make it a little bit lower because I'm not too crazy when it's way too high here. But It fits very well. What can I say about this t-shirt? Nothing much I can say about this t-shirt. Now I'm going to tell you which pattern I used for the pants. I ended up using a pattern that I have never used before. One of my new look patterns. This is New Look 6271, and I did this one right here. Yeah, this one right here. That's the only one that it's a woven, that it's a wide leg pants. And since I had purchased all of those New Look patterns when it was on sale, so I decided to make this one here. It did fit me well. I cut the size 22, which is the largest size, I believe. Yeah, it is a size 22. But because this pair of pants has elastic up here, it has elastic, and it's pretty wide here because this is supposed to be a flowy pair of pants. So I cut the 22 and it fit me well. Even in the length, I had to bring it up about 2 inches, but I did it only on the fold. I just folded up the hem. That's what I did. And oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys. I did add a 1 inch to the rise here in the back, to the crotch length. Yeah, had to do that because it was not going to fit if I didn't do that. Yeah, I always have to check the crotch length first, especially in the back. Now I want to talk about the actual fabric. This fabric was really hard to sew with. OMG. This thing was tough, tough, tough. It was sliding all over the place. I don't know if I take this off and show it to you guys. I might do that, or maybe on my next video, I will show it to you guys. All the little lines that I got while I was sewing, I did change my needle. I did put a Microtex needle 60/8, which is the smallest, the thinnest one I have. I used 2, actually. I started with 1. Midway in, I changed it to a brand new needle, and I was still getting all of the little pulls. I don't know what they're called. When it pulls the thread and it kind of looks, you can see the little marking on the fabric. Fabric is really, really pretty, but I don't know. The quality of it, it's very, very thin. It's a viscose, it's a rayon. We call it here in the United States a rayon, but I don't know, this fabric, not the best to sew with. It looks really, really pretty. I am hoping that I don't have any pullings here in the back when I start wearing this and sitting down and getting up and sitting down. If I go to work with these pants, I'm gonna have to get into the car, so I'm gonna sit down. I'm hoping it's not tight at all, but as we move through the day, maybe, I don't know. I did do 2 lines in the back, in the crotch. I did one stitch line, and then inside the seam allowance, I did another one a little bit closer, just in case if one pops open, I still have another one in there. I had to serge the whole thing, all the 4 pieces of the pants, the 2 fronts and the 2 backs. I had to serge around the whole thing before I could do anything. Because if you just look at the thing shifted and it was fraying. It was just a nightmare. It was a nightmare. Thank God it turned out okay. It turned out really, really pretty. I am in love with these pair of pants, but not because of the quality of the fabric. So I just wanted to put it out there that I was not too crazy about the quality of this fabric for the Think Pink subscription box number 29. Because this is a opening of a box and also a Friday sews, I just want to talk a little bit about life. Last weekend we did go out for the weekend. I was not home. I had no sewing done last weekend. We ended up going to Sarasota to visit some family, to see some family that arrived from Brazil. They were staying there, so we did go there Saturday and Sunday. Very, very pretty. I don't have pictures. I only had some filming from Lake Okeechobee when I got there. Sarasota was packed with people, packed with people. We tried to go to one of the beaches there, the Siesta Beach. They say it's beautiful. I did see pictures online, but I could not get to the beach. Parking lots were full. Cars all over the place trying to find parking. We tried it twice as soon as we got there, and then we went out to lunch because we were all hungry. After lunch, we came back. It was about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're like, okay, maybe we can find some parking spaces so at least we can go and see the actual beach. No, that didn't happen. Still packed. Still a lot of cars going around. I guess maybe because it's summertime and vacation for the kids, everybody was there. But yeah, the city is really, really pretty. We did like Sarasota, but it was way, way packed. That is not for me. But the travel there, it was really nice. On the way back, we did stop at Lake Okeechobee. I can put a little bit of a video at the end. Not much, it's just water and you know, some green, and that's pretty much it. There's not much there that we can see. You can see better from above, but I don't have a drone or anything. So yeah, I'm very much low tech. I was just filming with my phone. So that was it. That's all that happened this weekend, but I was happy to see our family that had arrived from Brazil. Now let's talk about the plans that I have for this weekend and for this week ahead. This weekend I am going to be home. I don't know what I'm going to sew actually. I still don't have the power net to start making the little swim dress for my daughter, the shorts and the little dress for the Love Notions pattern, the clear water. My daughter wants me to make that for her. And for me, I don't know. I have to see what I have there. Now that I have these pair of pants and my nice t-shirt, maybe I'll make some more t-shirts. Maybe I'll make another pair of pants. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I have to go into my closet and see what kind of fabric I have in there, and then select what I'm going to do for this weekend and next week. If you like this video, please hit that like button below, and if you can please subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now I'll leave you with a little video of Lake Okeechobee. I will see you on my next one. Bye.